Now we are going to work on admin route for getting single order information. I will close, copy. Below this, I will be writing comment getting single order. Paste this entire thing. From here, I will remove entire content. Inside this, I will write get single order. Here, I will be creating one variable order, await order. Inside this, I will be passing find by ID and order ID. I'm just going to access from params. So here I will write request.params.id. Now copy this function. Come to order routes. Below this, I will be creating this. Now inside this, I will be passing order slash colon ID. So this ID, I'm just going to access from parameter. Here, whenever admin is checking for this order, admin should be logged in, and then here I will be passing this authentication role based access, inside which I will be passing admin, and here I will pass the function. Hit enter. This function will be imported. Come here. So from parameter, I'm just going to access this ID. Below this, I will be checking if there is no order, then return next. Inside this, I'm just going to create the instance handle error, inside which I will pass no order found. And then status code, I will be passing 404. You can also pass 400. I will simply pass 404. But here, let me open this order model.js. Inside this, we are accessing user information, and here inside this user property, we are referencing to user model. But whenever admin is trying to see the order, admin should know which user has placed the order for this item. For that, here what we can do, we can use this populate method. Inside this, I'm just going to refer my user property. So this is my user property. Here I'm just going to refer. Inside which what information will be stored? Whichever user is logged in, that user ID will be stored inside this user. So from there, what I will do, I'm just going to populate name and email of the user. So in this way, we will be passing from this user property. I'm just going to populate this name and email. Then finally, I'm just going to send the response.status 200 JSON method. Success will be true, and then whatever order admin is trying to access, that order we are going to pass. Save this, and inside these routes for admin, safer side, I will also pass admin slash order slash ID. Now I will come to Postman. From here, copy. Here I will be pasting, and this is get request. Inside this, I will change to get. Okay, simply pass get request. Remove this. I will write admin slash order slash, from this create new order. Let me come here. I have created another order. Now inside this user, we are having user ID, and this is our order ID. I will copy. Come here. I will be pasting order ID. Click on send. OK. Role user is not allowed to access the resource. Why? Because I have logged in using normal user. I will click on logout. Click on send. Successfully logged out. Here I'm just going to write hanamtestad@gmail.com. Click on send. Now admin is logged in. You can see role is admin. Come here. Now I will click on send. Successfully, I am able to access that order information. So whatever information I have given inside the order, I am able to access that information. Now if you see inside this user, I'm having user ID along with name of the user and email of the user. Whichever user has ordered the item, that user's name and email will be stored. You can see normal user has ordered the item, that email ID and name of the user will be present inside this user property. And how that is possible? Because we have used populate method, and from this user we are accessing name and email. If you want, you can access whatever information you want to display. Accordingly, you can populate all that information. Now here I will click on save. I will come to admin. Inside this I will write get single order and then click on save.